The attention crisis. You open your phone just to check one message, and somehow 40 minutes are gone. You sit down to study, but 2 minutes later you're scrolling again. You want to focus, but your mind feels scattered, noisy, restless. Don't worry. You're not broken. Your brain is simply overloaded. I end this video. I'll show you how to rebuild your focus from the ground up, using science, psychology, and simple habits that can make your concentration 10x stronger. Because in a distracted world, focus is not just power, it's freedom. Why you can't focus? Let's be honest. You didn't lose focus overnight, that it's been stolen from you, little by little. Every scroll, every beep, every like gives your brain a hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical, but dopamine doesn't make you happy. It makes you want more. The more you get, the more you crave. So now your brain expects instant rewards all the time, and the moment something feels boring, it runs away. That's why reading feels hard. That's why studying feels impossible. That's why silence feels uncomfortable. But the good news is, your brain can be rewired. Neuroscience tells us that focus lives in your prefrontal cortex, the control center of your brain. Every time you get distracted, this part shuts down and needs time to reboot. Studies from Stanford and Harvard found every interruption can lower your effective IQ by up to 15 points. It takes 23 minutes to regain deep concentration after a distraction. And the average person checks their phone over 100 times a day. You're not just losing time, you're losing mental energy. But just like muscles, focus can be trained. The truth about motivation. Here's something no one tells you. Focus has nothing to do with motivation. Motivation is emotional. It comes and goes. Focus is mechanical. It's built through repetition. You don't need to feel ready to focus. You just need to remove the noise and start. The brain rewards momentum, not perfection. Once you begin, chemicals like dopamine and norepinephrine rise naturally to keep you going. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. The act of starting creates focus. 4 steps to improve focus 10x. Step 1. Dopamine detox. Your attention is addicted to instant rewards. You must reset your brain's reward system. Start small. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Avoid social media for the first 2 hours after waking up. Replace scrolling with walking, reading, or silence. The goal isn't to remove pleasure, it's to reclaim control. Step 2. Single-tasking. Multitasking is a myth. What you're actually doing is fast switching, and it's draining your brain. Choose one task, one goal, one focus. When you do one thing deeply, your brain enters flow state, the zone where time disappears and creativity explodes. 45 minutes of true focus is more powerful than 4 hours of scattered work. Step 3. Environment design. Your environment shapes your behavior. If your desk is full of distractions, your brain stays on alert. Design your space for focus. Clean desk, minimal items, warm lighting, calm instrumental music, one visual reminder of your main goal. You don't rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your environment. Step 4. The focus ritual. Every day, create a ritual that tells your brain, now it's time to focus. It could be lighting a candle, opening your notebook, playing a specific track. Small cues train your brain to associate that moment with deep work. Over time, focus becomes automatic, like flipping a switch. The power of attention. Your attention is your life. Whatever you focus on grows. Focus on problems and you feel trapped. Focus on progress and you evolve. The world wants your attention because it's the most valuable thing you have. But you get to decide where it goes. Every moment of focus is a small act of freedom. Every distraction you ignore is a victory. The challenge. Try this. For the next 7 days, spend just 1 hour a day without distractions. No phone. No multitasking. Just one goal. You'll feel resistance at first, But by the end of the week, you'll feel clarity you forgot existed. Because focus isn't just about doing more. It's about finally doing what matters. This is Mr. Mindy. Stay curious. Stay mindful. And remember, your attention builds your future. Protect it.